Whether you like it or not, AI has literally changed everything when it comes to making money online. Brands that didn't exist 2 or 3 months ago are now going viral and getting thousands of sales each month, sometimes from just one single social media post. But you want to know a secret? They're not succeeding so quickly because of a huge advertising budget or a massive team of employees. They're succeeding so quickly because they know how to use AI the right way to work smarter and build a brand faster than ever. A few years ago, this wouldn't be possible. I know because I've been building successful 6- and 7-figure businesses for almost 10 years. But now, thanks to AI, a single person can build a wildly successful new brand or business in less than a day. And I know you might not believe me, so I'm gonna prove it by building a brand new business in less than 20 minutes. Right in front of you, including the logo, branding, product images, and viral social media content so you can actually get traffic. I'm gonna give you all of the steps, prompts, and automations that you can copy so you can build along with me and know exactly what to do. I promise you, building the online business you're dreaming of right now with AI is not as hard, technical, or time-consuming than you think. But the key is to use the right AI tool for the job. You really only need one. Now, when you're building a new online business or brand, the first thing you need is to build the brand identity. This is the foundation that everything else will stand on, so it's important that you get this part right before you even think about products or getting traffic. Get this part wrong, and your whole business will struggle to make money later. Here you can see a brand identity that I created for a coffee brand with AI in about 5 minutes. And here's another example of a brand identity I created for a women's perfume brand. I'll show you which AI I used to do this in a second, but for this tutorial, I'm going to create an entirely new brand for a hot sauce company as an example, just to show you how this works. But you can do what I'm going to show you with any niche or product you personally want to build your business around. And like I said a minute ago, to build this brand identity, it only took me about 5 minutes. And I did it with just one AI app and one prompt. So the AI app I use for all of this is called Lovart, which you can see right here. Now, let me show you how it works. Once you create your Lovart account, you'll get access to this main dashboard. From here, click this button here to open a new project. That will open the project canvas like you see right here. Then all you have to do is click here in the chat box and tell Lovart what you want it to create for your brand with a prompt like this. Create a complete brand identity for a hot sauce brand named Firestarter Hot Sauce. The target audience is outdoorsy, survival, camping type feel for men aged 25 to 50. Tone is strong, energetic, dark with vibrant accents, but simple. Logo direction, color palette, typography, and brand visual assets. Then hit submit and Lovart will get to work. Oh, and by the way, if you have no idea how to write AI prompts like this or want to copy and paste mine to save time, I created a checklist to go along with this tutorial that I'm giving you for free. It includes all of the steps and prompts I use in this video, plus some bonus tips to help you get traffic. I'll tell you how to get the checklist at the end of the video, so make sure you don't skip out early. Now, it might take a couple of minutes to complete your prompt, but watch what it creates. You're gonna be surprised. Here, you can see Lovart created everything we asked for, plus some extra things I didn't even include in my prompt that you would need to complete your brand identity. This is where using Lovart as a beginner is so helpful and saves you so much time because it knows what you need to build a brand, even if you don't know yourself. Look, here you can see it created our logo, icon, color palette, it chose the fonts for us, and it even went one step further and created a brand mood board for us, brand visual assets, textures, and patterns. And it even included the brand selling points. And it did all of this in less than 5 minutes with just one prompt. And if there's anything that you want to change about the brand identity, you can either chat with Lovart again to make the changes, or if it's something minor or specific that you want to change yourself, all you have to do is click on the design and it will open a menu of tools that you can use. Some basic and some more advanced, like creating mockups or turning this design into a vector. But to make a minor edit, like for example, if I want to change a specific line of text or a specific word, I just click the Edit Text button and I can edit the text on the design by typing. I'm going to change the year from 2024 to 2026 because this is a new brand. Then when I hit Submit, Lovart redesigns the brand identity for me as a new item on the canvas so you can keep track of all the changes you make all in one place. This is really helpful as we continue to build our brand. Now, once you're 100% happy with your brand identity, You can also create more specific branding assets like product images and packaging. To do that, click on the brand identity that you just created, which will add it to the Lovart chat as a reference for your next prompt. Then give Lovart a prompt like this. Create 3 product reference images for the fire starter hot sauce bottle from the attached brand identity design. Each image with a slightly different angle, and the images must be 1 by 1 and have a solid light gray background, natural lighting, and shadows. Then again, when you submit your prompt, Lovart will get to work. Choose the right AI model for the task, then generate perfect product images of your product for you. Look, here's the 3 product images it created for me that match our brand identity perfectly. Now, the last step of this process, before I show you how to get traffic to your new brand, is to turn everything I just showed you into something you can replicate over and over without having to go through this whole prompting process every single time. Because even though it took us less than 10 minutes to build all of this, there's a way that you can save time and repeat this even faster by creating a brand kit. Watch. When you click on the brand kit button here in the left menu, it will take you to this section where you can upload logos, fonts, colors, images, and brand guidelines so that Lovart can remember everything about the brand you just built. And it only takes a couple of minutes to build your brand kit using our existing canvas. To do that, come back to your canvas and click on your brand identity document. Then download it by clicking right here. Next, come back to your brand kit menu and click here to upload the brand identity document you just downloaded from your canvas. When you do that, Lovart will automatically analyze and scan the document for all of these items for you: the logo, the colors, the fonts, your photography, and product images. You don't have to manually upload any of these things yourself, which saves you a ton of time. Now, once you've uploaded all of these items, you can save your brand kit, giving it a name to match your brand like this. Now, each time you open a new canvas, all you have to do is select your brand kit from the drop-down menu right here, and Lovart will already have access to all of your logos, product images, fonts, and colors so that you don't have to re-upload these things every single time, or prompt it to create these things from scratch for each new design. This saves you so much time whenever you need to create new graphics or social media posts for your brand. Which brings me to the part I know you've been waiting for: how to drive traffic to your new brand. Because we have our brand identity, our brand kit, and our product images. But these things don't matter if we don't have a way to get traffic so that people can actually see these things and, more importantly, buy our products. So what we're gonna do next is get Lovart to create marketing assets for our brands that we can use on social media, for ads, for our website, or wherever you want to tell people about your products. So to create your marketing assets, you're going to use a third prompt like this one here, making sure to add your previous brand identity and product images on the canvas inside the chat. Here's the prompt. Using the attached brand identity and product images, batch generate 8 to 10 marketing assets including Instagram posts, story graphics, product ads, promotional banners, e-commerce visuals, campaign layouts, and website hero sections. Now again, once you enter your prompt, just hit enter or click here to submit it. And Lovart will get to work building everything for you, referencing your previous brand identity and product images. Now, it might take a few minutes to generate everything, but when it's done, the graphics will be added to your existing canvas. Here you can see it first created an Instagram post image with the correct dimensions, an Instagram story image, a product ad image, a promotional banner image, and an e-commerce product image for our website. And it actually looks like the other images are ready as well. So let's take a look at those too. Here you can see it created a campaign layout image for us, a website hero section banner, a more specific recipe or food social media post to drive traffic to our product page or blog, and the first slide of an Instagram carousel. Now, this was just 9 simple examples that I created all at once just to show you how it's done. But when you're doing this, you can get even more detailed or specific and create a library of only Instagram posts if you want, or a library of Pinterest pins, for example. I did this quickly just so you can get an idea of how powerful and how much faster it is to build your entire brand with AI. And just like before, if there's anything you specifically want to edit or fine-tune about your specific designs, you can just click on it and then use the editing tools here. Now, because I always want to do my best to give you all of the info you need to succeed as quickly as possible, I want to show you something as a bonus. Because static images are great, but to be honest, there's a type of marketing content that always outperforms images when it comes to getting traffic. And that's short form videos, like Instagram Reels, TikToks, and YouTube Shorts. I know this because I built my entire 7-figure brand using short form videos. But the good news for you is that it does exist now. And Lovart can create videos for your new brand as well. Watch. All you have to do is select one of the marketing images that Lovart created for you. Pick one of the ones specifically created for social media, like this one here. Then tag it in the chat. Then enter a prompt like this. Convert this marketing visual into a 7-second vertical video suitable for Instagram Reels or TikTok. Start the video with a man's hand slamming the hot sauce bottle down on the rock, keeping the bottle intact with embers appearing from the impact. Keep the same brand aesthetic and visual style. Then hit submit. Also, quick reminder that all of these prompts are included in my free video checklist, which I just remembered I didn't tell you how to get yet. If you want to download a copy of my free video checklist, there's a link down in the description. Just click on it and enter your email, and I'll send it over to you right away. But after a few minutes, Lovart will respond with your short form video in the chat like this. Let's hit play and see if it followed my instructions. I think that's actually really good, considering I gave it a pretty basic prompt. It even added sounds and background music that fits the video, and I didn't even ask for that. In my opinion, this video is more of an ad than an organic reel or TikTok. But you can customize the video generation prompt so that the video includes whatever you want. Here's another example of a video I generated using the graphics from this canvas. This one's more organic and would be better for a reel or TikTok versus an ad. Let me play it for you.
Perfect.
Now, you've watched as I built a brand identity, product images, marketing assets, and short form videos, all with one single AI app in less than 20 minutes. But if you take one thing away from this tutorial, it's this. What I showed you today is just the very basics of what AI tools like Lovart are capable of. There's a link down in the description for you to access Lovart if you want to test everything out that I showed you today. Now it's up to you to practice what you learned and put it all together. AI is amazing and can speed up the process a lot, but it's your human imagination that sets you and your new business apart. When you're doing this process, take your time, research your audience, create the right product to solve their problem, then use AI tools like Lovart to create your branding, marketing images, and social media content. Then all you have to do is launch it. And if you need help building your online store or sourcing products to launch your first business, I can show you how to do that too with AI. In fact, I already created these tutorials on these two topics over on my channel. But if you want more help from me to build your online business with AI, join my community. There's a link to join down in the description as well. Hopefully, I see you there.